This week on Sundays with Sully, we're talking about how to prevent water from getting into the people spaces on your boat and maybe making it look a little bit better in the process. Let's go check it out, guys. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Sundays with Sully. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you are new here to the channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button down below wherever it is on YouTube, and give us a follow on Instagram and YouTube at Navtronics to stay up to date and in the know with the latest marine happenings and new builds that we constantly have going on. All right, that spiel is out of the way, guys. What are we talking about today? Today we are talking cable seals from Strut. Now, Strut, when I was down at the Lauderdale Boat Show, kind of pulled me aside and said, hey, check this out. We got something new coming out. And now I'm able to show you guys what that is. That is their new line of low profile cable seals. So what we have here, guys, you look, they're nice. They're 3/16 stainless steel. And you can also get them in black as well. They're in the full product range available for you. So as you can see here, traditionally we used this cable seal, which is a really great cable seal. It hasn't let us down. It's worked really, really well for us. But it is of a taller variety. So when we're working with it, we've also we'll pull our cable through, and we're kind of limited. Sometimes we have to cut a cable end off and put a field service end on it, whether it's a network cable or a video cable or things like that. We're kind of limited by the size of what's going through here because we don't want to make the opening in the gland too big. It defeats the purpose of letting water in. So they've kind of answered that with this new, much lower profile gland here. As you can see, when it's compared to the other one, just how much smaller and how much lower profile it is, just gives a really nice clean look. So what you need to know about this is, as I go ahead and turn this one sideways, the hole that you have to drill for these, it's going to be bigger than just your cable, guys. You can kind of see here, we need to cut out this area right here to allow this to recess down into whatever we're going into to allow to facilitate for that low profile fit. So it's just one extra step you've got to do there. But because we are drilling a bigger hole, now sometimes we can get away with not having to cut that end off of that cable there. So now coming from Strut, you have everything you need in the package to install this. And that includes 4 of these rubber grommets that are available in different cutouts, pre-cutout sizes here. You can slide them right onto your cable. And they even include a blank. So if you want to go ahead and make your own cut or do a double cable or something like that, you have that ability. So I'm just going to show you guys just how quick and easy this is. Even I can do it. I've got a Airmark cable here with a field end on it, or so we don't want to have to cut end on rather than put a field end on it because it's a transducer cable. We go ahead, we slide the included gasket with the taped side down, we slide that on there, and then we can slide this guy right on there. And now I can take this pre-cut one right here that's already made for this size, and I can simply slide that over there. It's going to be a nice snug fit on there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of drive that into its home right here. Get that in there seated down really nice. So then you take this guy right here and we slide him right on there. We get our screw holes lined up. Simple as that. We do one more over here. We get everybody nice and happy and dogged down. And if this is actually on a hard top or somewhere, you'd have a very nice low profile fitting. So it's just that easy, very simple to use. That's why we like them. They work and it's easy to use. Those are 2 key things for us, right? So that's it. That is this week's Sundays with Sully. Hopefully you guys found that informative. If you have any questions about this, previous episodes, or things you'd like to see us cover, leave it down below in the comments. And please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a follow at Navtronics on YouTube and Instagram. We'll see you guys next week with something cool. Peace.